Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a tutorial on my everyday makeup routine. So these are the products that are in my bag and that I'm using every single day that I do my makeup. Let's get to it.
Like a fever, burning in my bones, a true believer. When you're coming close, light up like neon, caught in your afterglow. Baby, you're a new song, singing back in your echo. looking right at you. I didn't want to leave before the sun came up. Without looking for it, fell into your orbit, stayed under your influence, stay on my mind just a little bit long.
Okay, so this is it. This is the final look. It usually takes me around 7 to 10 minutes. I honestly usually do it in the car while my husband is driving, of course. But these are the products. Like, if I recommend anything for an everyday makeup look, it's these products. They're going to make you glow. Let me know if any of these products are also your favorites. Let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my everyday typical makeup routines like this. And thank you guys so much for watching today. Have a good day. Bye.